The Lord is near to all who call on Him, to all who call on Him in truth. He hears the cry of the brokenhearted, and He never turns away those who seek Him. Take a moment, lay every burden down. He is listening. Before I speak, you already know my heart. Before I cry, you have counted every tear. When my strength is gone, your love remains. When the night feels long, your light still shines. I have nowhere else to go. Only you can satisfy my soul. Only you, only you, only you can satisfy my soul. I will wait on you, though the answer tarries. I will trust your timing, though I cannot see tomorrow. You have never abandoned those who put their hope in you. Teach my heart to rest in your promises.
I will wait.
I will trust.
You are never.
Will try to spur.
I will wait.
I will trust. Your time is perfect.
Remember my family.
Remember my children.
My children.
Remember those who cry in silence.
Those whose tears no one sees.
Stretch out your hand once again. Open doors no one can shut. Heal hearts no one can heal. Bring peace where fear has lived. Remember us, Lord. Remember us, Lord. Nothing is impossible for you. You spoke, and light filled the darkness. You spoke and dry bones lived again. You spoke and storms became silent. Speak again over my life. Speak again over my home. Speak again over my future. With God all things are possible. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Those who wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. Not for blessings alone, not for miracles alone, not because of open doors. I simply want you. Draw me closer, closer than yesterday, closer than last night, closer than I have ever been.
Closer.
Draw me nearer.
Closer.
Draw me nearer. Jesus,
Jesus.
the name that heals.
Jesus.
The name that restores.
Jesus.
the name that gives hope. Jesus, the name above every fear, build gradually.
Jesus, Jesus,
Every knee shall bow.
Jesus, Jesus,
Every knee shall bow.
Jesus, Jesus.
Every knee shall bow.
Every tongue shall confess.
Hey,
Every tongue shall confess.
hey.
Every tongue shall confess.
You are enough. You are enough. Even when I cannot see, you are enough. You are enough. Even when I cannot feel, you remain faithful. You remain holy. You remain God. I worship you. I surrender all. My life belongs to you. I leave every burden here. I leave every fear here. I leave every question here tonight. I choose to trust you.